The Pro BTB Indicator by Poursamadi is a strategy that has been offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file from MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Also, traders can read this page to learn how the indicator works and operates. From the navigation section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we run the indicator. We go to the Dependencies tab, and in this tab we enable the Allow DLL Imports option. We go to the Inputs tab, and in this section, you need to enter your dedicated license for this indicator. To obtain your dedicated license, visit the TradingFinder website and get your exclusive license for this indicator from the Support section, then enter it here. Just make sure to note that the license you receive is only valid for that specific device and will not work on other devices. In the next section, we can set the parameters related to the spike candle identifier. In this input, first you can specify the number of candles to check the average movement of the candle for spike identification. By default, it is set to 300 candles, meaning it will look back 300 candles from the current one to identify spike candles. In the second input, you can set the percentage value for spike identification among the specified number of candles, which by default is set to 15%. That means among the 300 candles where the indicator identifies spike candles, it will recognize 15% of the strongest and most powerful spike candles and display them for us. In the next section, we can enable or disable the alert notification when buy or sell signals are generated. In the first input, you can enable or disable the alert notification, and in the second input, you can enable or disable sending the alert as a notification to your mobile. After that, you can confirm the settings. Once the indicator is applied to the chart, it starts identifying and displaying trading opportunities and issuing buy and sell signals on the price chart. The Pro BTB Poursamadi Strategy Indicator is a truly special and highly practical tool. For dedicated price action traders, it has been meticulously designed and developed based on two fundamental and crucial key concepts: the initial spike in price movement and the subsequent price retracement back to the significant spike zone. Price action traders with a scalping trading style can very easily and effectively use this robust strategy to precisely identify numerous profitable trading opportunities in short time frames and subsequently enter advantageous buy or sell trades in the dynamic market conditions. Spike candles are a particular type of same direction candlestick pattern, where, for example, here you have a clearly defined bearish or bullish second candle, and the central middle candle distinctly indicates a significant market imbalance and a subsequent sharp decisive move. In this specific case, we unequivocally know that the second candle is a very strong candle, demonstrating a powerful and rapid movement. Ultimately, there is a very specific and noticeable gap that forms between the first and the third candles, which powerfully indicates either strong buying pressure or equally strong selling pressure within the market. As you can clearly observe here, there is a distinct gap present between the first and the third candles, which is unequivocally considered to represent significant selling pressure, and conversely, here, from the first to the third candle, it is considered to represent substantial buying pressure. Usually, we can effectively identify these powerful moves after a prolonged ranging phase in the market, where, following a period of consolidation or range-bound trading, the market typically starts making very powerful and sharp, impactful moves on the price chart. In this particular strategy, two main and crucial conditions are carefully considered for definitively confirming a spike candle. The first essential condition is that the spike candle must exceed a certain predetermined spike size, and the second equally important condition is that the candle body must cover at least 65% of the total candle size to possess enough validity and strength to be confidently confirmed as a genuine spike candle. Here we clearly see that strong candles with notably large bodies have been accurately identified for us. The fundamental way this strategy effectively works is primarily based on precisely identifying these specific and recurring patterns. These are spike candles, and if the price returns to the spike zone and then exits it, buy or sell signals are generated for us. The price has 10 to 15 waves of opportunity to enter the spike zone and then exit it for the signals to be triggered. Here we could have entered a buy trade in the market, the price came into the zone and eventually closed here. Our entry point in this section is at this level, and our stop loss is placed behind the swing and behind the spike wave, which is considered as the AB leg. We can set the take profit level at a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio and enter a buy position in the market. Here, the stop loss level is set, and at this point, the take profit level is determined. After that, we see that with 2 candles, the price reaches our target. We can also observe sell trading opportunities here. For example, at this particular point in time, the price action clearly faces a significant selling pressure wave, and in this specific section of the chart, a distinct spike candle has been accurately identified. At this crucial juncture, the price has subsequently returned to this previously established spike zone and then immediately started to drop quite sharply. Panel section. There are options provided for information. In the first section, it displays the remaining time until the current candle closes, which right now is 20 seconds until the candle closes. In the next section, it shows us the number of spike candles that have been identified within the chart, which at the moment is 70 spike candles, both bearish and bullish. In the following section, it displays all the trading signals, with 42 buy and sell signals identified and shown together. At the bottom, we can see the number of buy signals, that is, buy trades, and finally the number of sell signals or sell trades, with 26 buy signals and 16 sell signals identified in the market and displayed for us. Also, by clicking on the top part of the panel, we can move the information panel around the chart, or by clicking on the minimize option, we can change it to its minimum size so that only the remaining time until the current candle closes is displayed for us. By clicking again on the minimize option, the indicator panel automatically returns to its original default size. Well, my dear friends, we have now truly reached the very end of this comprehensive indicator tutorial. We would be absolutely delighted if you could kindly share your valuable comments and thoughtful suggestions with us in the dedicated feedback section below.